Hello, my name is Jaeda Pitlick. I am an Omaha native who was born and raised and grew up in Nebraska. I did my medical school here at the University of Nebraska Medical Center, and then I did my internal medicine residency at Mayo Clinic in Rochester, Minnesota. Ever since I was a young kid, I always had kind of a passion and interest in science, and I always kind of was interested in how the human body worked and was fascinated in those sorts of things. And so I always kind of thought medicine was for me, and I spent a lot of time in high school and college doing a lot of different jobs and volunteering in the medical field, and I fell in love with it. I fell in love with taking care of patients, getting to help people through very trying times, and I knew from those experiences that medicine was made for me and what I wanted to spend my life doing. I am an internal medicine physician, which means that I take care of adults, so patients that are over the age of 18. My practice is unique in that I spend about half of my time working as a primary care physician in the clinic, and then I get to spend the other half of my time working in the hospital, taking care of patients who are sick and admitted to the hospital and needing care in that setting. I don't like to think of my patients as problems or numbers or anything other than really who they are, and it's important for me to know what makes you tick and what are your values and what is important to you for me to come up with the best treatment plan for you moving forward. When I was a medical student here, I was always, very amazed and impressed by the quality of the physicians that I got to learn from and work alongside, as well as honestly the whole team, the nursing staff, the pharmacists, the social workers, therapists, anyone taking care of patients. And I always felt this might be the place for me in the future once I finish all of my training. And one thing that's really important to me is getting to teach and train alongside the future doctors, and so working with medical students and residents is a huge passion of mine, and I'm excited that not only do I get to take care of patients, but I get to help teach and the future doctors of America. When I am not in the clinic or the hospital, you can usually find me outside. I love being outdoors. I love running. I love playing golf. I love going on hikes. I also, on Saturdays in the fall or winter, you can probably find me watching college football. I'm a huge college football fan, especially watching the Huskers play. So that's where you can find me on those days. I also love spending time with my family, and my husband, and our new dog Ryder, who we adopted earlier this summer.